Hello and welcome to the premier YouTube channel that showcases amazing shipping container projects from around the world. In this video, we bring to you new Nova Shipping Container Cottage in Hocking Hills, Ohio, United States. Welcome back. This cozy shipping container cottage is situated in the heart of the awe-inspiring Hocking Hills and Lake Hope State Parks. This single-story cottage is made from a 40-foot high cube shipping container. It is a perfect destination for complete relaxation, designed with great attention to detail. The front door opens into a bright indoor space with a very practical layout. The first thing that you walk into is a bright kitchen space that is right in the middle of this amazing container cottage. The kitchen has modern appliances, custom designed cabinets, some floating shelves, wooden countertops, and a sink in front of a big kitchen window that lets you look into the backyard of the property. The kitchen also has a breakfast counter with 2 chairs on the side and plenty of space for dining or as a working table. Across is the rest of the kitchen that has open shelves to store your supplies, and underneath is everything else that makes the kitchen functional. Next to the kitchen is a well-furnished living space. The decor of the living room is absolutely beautiful and is fitted with a brown leather couch, a custom coffee table on the left side, and across from that is a small electric fireplace that is so cozy and looks great. The first door down the hallway leads into a master bathroom. The bathroom features a toilet, a small vanity, towel storage, and a huge walk-in shower. At the back of the shipping container is the bedroom space. The bedroom has a bed tucked up against the wall and a single nightstand on the left side of the bed. There is a window that lets in all the light. There's a TV and small luggage space. The color palette for the interior of the entire cottage is white, including the cabinetry, making this space look bigger and brighter, creating an illusion of a large indoor space. The house is finished with wood laminate flooring to give it a modern, warm appeal. The back patio is a private and beautiful space. On the left side, there is a swing chair and a grill, while on the other side, you walk onto an outdoor sitting area with lots of sitting space and a hot tub to soak away the stress after a long day's walk. A nice walkway down with a nice sitting area for a cozy night, and enjoy catching up as you look into the trees and the hills behind, enjoying the beauty of this amazing property. The exterior of the house is decorated in black metal. The grooves of the raw shipping container walls are visible throughout the exterior, bringing out the industrial vibe of the design. The exterior is accented with oak beams and cedar in selected areas to enhance the outdoor appearance of the cottage. This amazing container house is listed as a guest house on Airbnb, starting at $226 per night. Feel free to check it out using the link in the description below. The entire cottage is well appointed with quality workmanship inside and out. Which part of this amazing cottage appeals to you the most? Kindly give us your opinion by posting in the comment section below. If you like this video, as usual, give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it. You are encouraged to subscribe to our YouTube channel for these and more amazing weekly videos on shipping container living. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.